Hello guys, today we are going to solve the new question, that is question number 8. So the question number 8 is simplify square root of 5 plus square root of 3 upon square root of 80 plus square root of 48 minus square root of 45 minus square root of 27. So square root of 5 plus square root of 3 as it is upon square root of 80 means 16 into 5 plus square root of 48 is 16 into 3 minus square root of 45 is nothing but 9 into 5 minus square root of 27 is 9 into 3. Product of one perfect square and another one is non-perfect square. Okay, so root 5 plus root 3 upon, we know the square root of 16, that is 4 into root 5 plus square root of 16 is 4. 3 is not perfect square, so square root of 3 as it is, minus square root of 9 is 3 into square root of 5 minus square root of 9 is 3 and 3 is not non-perfect square, that's why square root of 3 as it is. So square root of 5 plus square root of 3 upon these two, 4 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 5. These two are like irrational numbers, okay, because which having same irrational factor. So 4 into square root of 5 minus 3 into square root of 5 plus 4 into square root of 3 minus 3 into square root of 3. Okay, these two are the same irrational number and these two are the same irrational number. So root 5 plus root 3 upon 4 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 5 is nothing but 1 square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 4 minus 3, so 1 square root of 3, right? So this quantity root 5 plus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3 both are same, that's why cancel to each other and answer become 1. So our final answer is 1. So the next question is question number 9. So the question number 9 is root 3 plus root 7 upon square root of 27 plus square root of 63 minus square root of 28 minus square root of 48. Okay, so which is equal to square root of 3 plus root 7 upon square root of 27 can be written as 9 into 3, 9 3s are, plus 9 into 7 minus 4 into 7 minus 16 into 3. Okay, so 9 is a perfect square, 3 is non-perfect square, so product of one perfect square and non-perfect square, so 9 3s are 27. 63 can be written as 9 into 7, there is one perfect square and another one is non-perfect square. Also 28 can be written as 7 into 4, 4 is a perfect square and 7 is non-perfect square, and 48 can be written as 16 into 3, so the 16 is perfect square while 3 is non-perfect square. So root 3 plus root 7 upon square root of 9 is 3 and root 3 plus square root of 9 is 3 root 7 minus square root of 4 is 2 root 7 minus 4 root 3. So which are the like terms? There are two like terms, one is 3 root 3 and minus 4 root 3. So root 3 plus root 7 as it is upon 3 root 3 and minus 4 root 3. These two are like terms, plus 3 root 7 minus 2 root 7. These two are the two like terms. So our answer is root 3 plus root 7 upon 3 root 3 minus 1 root 3, 4 root 3, that is minus 1 root 3. 3 minus 4, that is minus 1 root 3, and plus 3 root 7 and minus 2 root 7, so answer becomes plus root 7. Plus root 7. This can be written as root 3 plus root 7 upon root 7 minus root 3. Minus root 3. So after the rationalization means multiply and divide the conjugate of denominator. So the conjugate of denominator is root 7 plus root 3 upon root 7 plus root 3. Which process here? The rationalization of denominator using rationalization of denominator. Okay, so numerator is root 3 plus root 7 whole square, because root 3 plus root 7, there is also root 3 plus root 7, so root 3 plus root 7 square upon a minus b and then a plus b. So our answer becomes a minus b, and a plus b means a square minus b square, so which is equal to root 7 square minus root 3 square. Okay, so using the formula, which formula? A plus b bracket square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. According to this formula, we get a square means root 3 square plus 2 into a means root 3 into b is root 7 plus b square means root 7 square upon a square minus b square. So a square root 7 square is nothing but 7 minus root 3 square is equal to 3. So which is equal to root 3 square is 3 plus 2 into 3 7 is 21. So root 21 plus 7 upon 4. 7 minus 3 is nothing but 4. So our answer becomes 7 plus 3 is nothing but 10. 10 plus 2 root 21 upon 4. So from these two terms we get 2 as a common. So in bracket 5 plus root 21 upon 4. 2 1 the 2 2 the. So our answer becomes 5 plus root 21 upon 2. So this is our final answer. This one is our final answer. So next question is question number 10. So the question number 10 is 15 upon root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 plus minus root 5 and minus root 80. So how can you solve this type of question? So 15 as it is upon root 10 is not perfect square, so root 10, write down root 10 as it is, plus root 20 can be written as 5 into 4 plus root 14 can be written as 4 into 10, right? We can write 8 into 5 also, but 8 is not a perfect square and 5 is also not a perfect square. That's why root 40 can be written as 4 into 10. Minus 5 is not a perfect square, so write down as it is, and minus 80 can be written as 16 into 5 because 16 is a perfect square while 5 is non-perfect square. So we get 15 upon square root of 10 plus square root of 4 is 2 root 5 plus square root of 4 is 2 root 10 minus square root of 5 minus 4 root 5. So which are the like terms? So there are how many like terms? See here, So 2 root 5, then minus root 5, minus 4 root 5, these are the like terms, and root 10, these two are the like terms. Okay, so which is equal to 15 upon this root 10 plus 2 root 10, that is 3 root 10. 1 root 10 plus 2 root 10, 3 root 10. Then 2 root 5 minus 1 root 5, 2 minus 1, 1 root 5. 1 root 5 minus 3 root 5, sorry, minus 4 root 5. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 root 5. Minus 3 root 5. Okay, from these two terms we get 3 as a common. So our final answer is 15 upon 3 into root 10 minus root 5, and 3 ones are 3 5s. So we get 5 upon root 10 minus root 5. Okay, तो इसका भी डिनोमिनेटर का rationalization. So rationalization of denominator is nothing but root 10 plus root 5 upon root 10 plus root 5. Rationalization denominator. So the conjugate of this denominator is root 10 plus root 5 conjugate. So we get 5 into root 10 plus root 5, 5 into root 10 plus root 5 upon, apply the formula a minus b and a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So a square means root 10 square minus b square means root 5 square. Okay, so we get 5 into root 10 plus 5 root 5 upon square of root 10 is 10 minus this one is also 5. Okay, so is equal to 5 root 10 plus 5 root 5 upon 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5. From these two terms 5 as a common, so 5 in bracket root 10 plus root 5 upon 5, 5 get cancelled, so our answer becomes root 10 plus root 5. So this is our final answer. Okay, so our next question number 11 is, if x is equal to 6 minus root 35, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So the given question is x is equal to 6 minus root 35. First we have to find the value of 1 upon x. So 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 6 minus x means 6 minus root 35, and the rationalization of denominator, that is multiply and divide the conjugate of this 6 plus root 35 upon 6 plus root 35. So we get 6 plus root 35 into 1, so 6 plus root 35 upon a minus b into a plus b, that is 6 square minus root 35 square, which is equal to 6 plus root 35 upon square of 6 is 36 minus square of root 35 is 35, which is equal to 6 plus root 35 upon 1, which is equal to 6 plus root 35. 6 plus root 35. So 1 upon x is nothing but 6 plus root 35. Now x square plus 1 upon x square, which is equal to x plus 1 upon x whole bracket square minus 2. This is the formula to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. So which one is formula? X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x plus 1 upon x whole bracket square minus 2. This is the important formula. Okay, this one is IMV formula. So substitute all the values. So which is equal to x means what? 6 minus root 35, 6 minus root 35, then plus 1 upon x. So 1 upon x is nothing but 6 plus root 35. So write down here 6 plus root 35 whole bracket square and then minus 2. Okay, so minus root 35 and plus root 35 get cancelled. 6 plus 6, 12 square minus 2. So 12 square is nothing but 144 minus 2. So our answer is 142. So the final answer is 142. So this is our today's video, and these are the 4 questions. Chalo to friends, thank you, best of luck.